Grayson, what do you think?
Not cool.
What? It's not cool?
No.
What? You're not impressed? Boys, this is my truck right here. It was a asphalt paving work truck, so it's definitely got a lot of wear and tear on it. As you can see, it's leaking something, probably brake fluid, but it's got no front brakes. The frame, as you can see, it's pretty rusty, but definitely repairable. And it doesn't come with a bed, as you can see. It comes with a new set of wheels, tires, exhaust, all that fun stuff, but definitely a lot of rust that I need to fix on it. Interior is decent. Of course, it's a 7.3 Power Stroke, so the heart of the beast is what counts, but I'm pretty thrilled. I'm excited to start on this project and rip into it.
Kind of stinks in here.
I bet it does. Yeah, boys.